Hello, is anybody here?
Please help me!
Something's wrong. Stop the car.
Help me!
What is going on? Don't worry, I will ask someone for help. Come on, let's go. All right. What is wrong with him? What are you doing? We have to help him. Give me that task. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Here I come. Move. We are always by your side. Be careful. Found it. Let's get started. It's very dangerous ahead. Leave it to me. I've got a job for you. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Hurry up. Okay, done. Wow, it looks good. We made it. We made it. Let's go home. Very good. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. If you need help, give me a call. See you again.